Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. So as we know friends, Global Online platform has started a complete new course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. With this series we have started with the discussion of the previous year question paper of Mathematics paper 2. In today's lecture we'll be talking about the question paper which was conducted online in shift 2 of 3rd January 2022. So to understand the difficulty level and the paper pattern, this particular series has been launched. Other than this, we know friends, the paper contains the question of easy to moderate level, but the difficulty level that students are facing right now is the time management. Hence, along with detailed solution, I'll be providing you certain short and smart tricks so that within a limited span of time you are going to solve the question paper with great accuracy and confirm to get the target marks of 30 out of 30. So even the students who find themselves weak at mathematics can also confirm their marks to get 30 out of 30 in the mathematics CTET paper 2. Without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. Before that friends, central teacher eligibility test for that complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 and for the paper 2, and if you want to get enrolled to the course you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, or via Global Online application also you can access the free videos and access the complete course. Global Online application is available on the Play Store, from where you can install the application, open it, you'll find such type of interface where there's an icon named as store icon. Click on it, you'll move to the page called as my courses, and in my courses there is a search tab where you have to type CTET. The course along with the fees for paper 1, paper 2 and compiled paper 1 and paper 2 courses will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course. Without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. Yesterday we have discussed few questions of the part 1 paper of 3rd January 2022. In today's lecture we'll be discussing the remaining questions. So this is the question asked from the geometry topic. ABCD is a trapezium in which AD is parallel to BC and AB given is 5 cm. BC is equals to 11 cm and AD is 7 cm. DA is produced to point F such that AF is equals to 3 cm. So here they have given us that BF is perpendicular, it is perpendicular to DF. The area of the trapezium ABCD is what is the question. So here you have to understand that there is a trapezium named as ABCD. Let us draw it first. Consider this as trapezium A, B, C, D. They have extended this DA part to point F. Okay, this is mentioned in the question. They have extended this to point F, and I'll join this FB over here. Okay, so this is getting wrong actually, because it should be perpendicular, right? So this is going to be like this. A, B, C and D. I have extended this point till here. I have extended DA till F and draw a perpendicular like this. Okay, so just consider this proper. I'm not able to draw it properly. Okay, so here BF is perpendicular to DF. BF is perpendicular to that of the DF over here. Okay, so here AD given is 7 cm, BC given is 11 cm. Other than that, AF mentioned is 3 cm, and here it's 3 cm. Okay, other than that rest of 5 cm is AB. Okay, so by using the given data, that is AF is equals to 3 cm, AB is equals to 5 cm, I can find the BF side, right? That is by using the Pythagoras theorem, or by considering the triangle ABF. By using the Pythagoras theorem, BF square is equals to 5 square minus 3 square. This will give me BF is equal to under root of 25 minus 9. This will give me under root of 16. It means this will give me 4. That is BF is equals to 4. Okay, I got the value of BF now. BF is equals to 4 cm. Now I have to find the area of trapezium. We know area of trapezium over here is going to be area of trapezium will give me half into 7 plus 11 into 4 square. So this will give me 4, yeah. So this will give me 2 4s are half into 7 plus 11 into 4. Okay, so this will give me 18 into 2. This will give me 36 centimeters square. So the area of the trapezium is equals to 36 centimeter square. Okay, so what you have to understand over here is the area of trapezium formula first thing, and by using the Pythagoras theorem we are finding the value of other side, that is BF over there. And we know what is the area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is going to be, please note the formula, half into A plus B into the height over here. So we know we have got the side BF. Okay, we know the value of AB, we know the value of BC over there. By substituting it, I have find the area. Got it? Moving on to the next question now. Deepak used to walk 10 rounds along a rectangular ground, and with length given is 150 centimeter and breadth given is 100 meter. So if he has to walk around a square shaped ground having area 0.01 kilometer square, then how many rounds he has to walk so that he can complete his regular routine of walking? Okay, so here you have to understand is that this is the rectangular ground where he is walking with the given length is equals to 150 meter. So here the correction is of meter. Okay, both are in meter, 150 meter and 100 meter, and the width given over here is, breadth given here is 100 meter. So the perimeter is going to be twice of length into breadth. So twice of 150 plus 100, this is going to be your perimeter. This will give me 500 meter as your perimeter. Okay, this is the 500 meter. So the perimeter is talking nothing about the boundary, it is talking about the boundary. It means for one round, that is for one chakkar, he is moving for 500 meters. He is covering the distance of 500 meters. So for 10 rounds, he will cover 500 into 10. It means 500 into 10 meters. It means this will give me 5000 meters. So for 10 rounds, how much distance he is covering? He is covering 5000 meters. Other than that, they have given a second portion of the question that now he started walking on the square shaped ground. First he used to walk on the rectangle, now he is walking on the square shape. So on the square shape of area given is 0.01 kilometer square. So here area is equals to, that is A square is equals to 0.01 kilometer square. We know that the area is equals to side square. So let us consider the side as AA. So this will give me A square is equals to 0.01 kilometer square. So the value of A is going to be 0.1 kilometer. I'll convert this kilometer into meter. It means 0.1 kilometer into 1000. This will convert the kilometer into meter. So this will give me 100 meter. So I got the side that is equals to 100 meter. That is A is equals to 100 meter. So what is going to be the perimeter now? The perimeter is equals to 4 into side. It means what is the side? Side is 100. So 4 into 100, this will give me 400 meter as my perimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangular ground was 5000 meter. The perimeter of the square ground is now 400 meter. So actually approximately if we look at the figures over here, he has to take 13 rounds extra. Okay, how many rounds he has to walk so that he can complete the regular routine? To complete the regular routine of 5000 meters, he has to walk extra approximately 13 rounds. So this is your correct answer for the given question. Moving on to the next question now, the radius of a base of a metallic cylinder box is 17.5 centimeter. Its height is 1 meter. What is the capacity in liter of the box? Okay, let us consider this as a cylinder now. The given data in the question is the radius of the metallic cylinder, that is equals to 17.5 centimeter, and the height that they have mentioned here is equals to 1 meter. Height is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so height 1 meter, radius is equals to 17.5 centimeter. I'll convert this into meter by dividing it by 100. This will give me 0.175 meter. Okay, so here what we have to find the capacity. For finding the capacity, we are going to find the volume, that is equals to pi r square h. Here the value of pi they have mentioned in the question is, we have to take the value of pi is 22 upon 7. Okay, they have already mentioned this in question. So 22 upon 7 into radius is equals to 0.175 into 0.175 into height is 1 meter. This will give me 0.09625 meter cube. So we have to find the capacity in liter. We have find the capacity in meter cube. So we know one thing, that 1 meter cube is equals to 1000 liters. So I'll convert this meter cube into 1000, that is 0.09625 into 1000 liter. So this will give me 96.25 liter. This is going to be a volume. So the correct answer for the given question is option number C. Next question now, a box contains some slips on which the numbers are written, that is 25, 26, 27, okay, till 49. Actually again this is a missing data in the question that they have provided. Actually you have to make a correction over here, 25, 26, 27 till 49, till 49. This is the correction, please mention it over here. Okay, so box contains certain slips on which numbers are written like 25, 26, 27 till 49. Okay, so a slip is drawn at a random from the box. So what is the probability that the selected slip bears a prime number? What is the question? That for example we are having a box or a bag where we have added certain strips, or we can say slips. On these slips we have written numbers from 25 to 49. Okay, so what they have asked us, what is the probability? What is the probability that the selected slip bears a prime number? That the number that we are taking out of the box should be the prime number. What is the probability of that? So from 25 to 49, if I start counting the prime numbers, so what will be prime numbers from 25 to 49? These are 29, next is 31, then is 37, then is 41, 43, 47. These are all the prime numbers in between 25 to 49. Okay, how many prime numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there are total 6 slips on which prime numbers are written. How many slips are there? How many total slips are there? 49. 25 to 49. It means total slips is equals to 49 minus whatever the range that they have set over here. Just take the number before 25. What is the number that comes before 25? Is 24. So 49 minus 24 will give me 25. So there are total 25 slips. Out of these 25 slips, 6 are prime number slips. So what will be the fraction that I am going to mention here? 6 prime number slips out of total 25 slips. This will give me the probability of getting the prime number. The probability of getting the prime number is 6 upon 25, that is 0.24. This is the probability that the slip is going to bear a prime number. Next question now. The average age in years of 40 students of class 12 of a class is 12. After adding a teacher's age, the average age all of them have become 13 years. If the retirement age of the teacher is 55 years, then at what age he is going to be retired over here? Then he will retire after how many years is the question. How many students are there? 40 students. And here the average age is mentioned is 12 years. Okay. So to find the total age, we know the formula for average. Average is equals to sum, or the total we can say, upon total number of observations. Okay, so this will give me average is equals to sum of observation divided by total number of observation. So I am finding here total, it means I'll multiply average is 12 years into total number of students are 40. This will give me 480 years. So 480 years is what total age when the teacher is excluded. Now we are adding the teacher. After adding the teacher, the members were 40 students. So after adding the teacher, the total members are going to be 41. So the total age after adding teacher is going to be, what is this? What is the total number of members here now? 41. And what is the average that they have mentioned here after adding teacher is 13 years. So the total is going to be 13 into 41. This will give me 533. We can find the age of the teacher by subtracting 533 minus 480. This will give me the age of the teacher, that is equals to 53 years. 53 years is the age of the teacher. And what is the criteria of the retirement? Retirement is at 55 years. So teacher is at 53 years. So after 2 years, the teacher is going to be retired. So 2 years is your answer over here. Got it? Moving on to the next question now. The measure of two supplementary angles are 2a plus b degree and 3a minus b degree. Then value of 3a will be equal to what? A very simple question. We know that what are the values they have mentioned here? Two supplementary angles with 2a plus b degree, and the second one is 3a minus b degree. Okay, here we have to add, basically we have to find the value of 3a. Okay, now we know one thing, that the sum of two supplementary angles is equal to 180 degree. So one is 2a plus b degree, one supplementary angle, and the other one is 3a minus b degree. If I add both of these angle, I'll get 180 degree. So this will give me 2a plus 3a as 5a plus b minus b is going to cancel out over here. So this will give me 180 degree. The value of a is going to be 180 degree upon 5, that is equals to 36. Okay, so we have to find the value of 3a over here. We got the value of a is equal to 36. So the value of 3a is going to be 3 into 36. This will give me 108. So the correct answer for the given question is option number B. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following pairs of letter in the word maths depict the rotational symmetry? Okay, let us understand the question first. This type of questions have been previously asked like a lot of times. Okay, so you have to clear the idea or the thoughts of the rotational symmetry, or if a letter has been moved by this angle or this much of angle, then whether it is going to remain in the same shape or whether it is going to change its geometry or the shape, we can say. Okay, so yes, let us solve this. Here what is given? Letter maths, M-A-T-H-S. They're talking about the rotational symmetry. Okay, so first we check that the letter M has no rotational symmetry. It has only vertical line of symmetry. Okay, it has no rotational symmetry. Okay, even if we see the letter A over here, letter A is also having no rotational symmetry. Again, it is having the vertical line of symmetry. Letter T has no rotational symmetry. Again, it does not look the same after rotation. What exactly are we talking about? What does it mean that letter M is having no rotational symmetry, A is having no rotational symmetry? It means that after I am moving the letter M, after I am rotating the letter M, this is not going to remain in the same shape. Similarly, if I see A, it is not going to remain in the same shape. Similarly, if you look at the letter T, it is not going to remain in the same shape. But if we look at the letter H, H is going to remain in the same shape over here. Okay, so letter H has rotational symmetry. Here we are considering the 180 degree rotation as well as 360 degree rotation. So letter H as well as letter S has the rotational symmetry. So the correct answer for the given question is option number H and S, where the both letters are having 180 degree symmetry as well as 360 degree letter symmetry. Got it? Moving on to the next question now. A triangle is to be constructed with given side 2p minus 1 centimeter and 2p plus 2 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Okay, so for constructing the triangle, p must always be equal to what? So yeah, just give me a second. Here we are constructing the triangle. Okay, here one side that they have mentioned is, please ignore the shape. Okay, just try to understand. 2p minus 1 centimeter is the, what we can say, one side, and the other side is 2p plus 2 centimeter. Okay, and 13, a triangle has to be constructed with the side 2p plus minus 1, 2p plus 2 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So for constructing the triangle, the value of p should be equal to what is the question. Okay, so always keep one thing in the mind, that the concept behind this question is a triangle can be drawn only if, always remember, a triangle can be drawn only if the sum of two sides of the triangle is greater than this third side. Sum of two sides. For example, I am having a triangle over here. Let the sides be a centimeter, let other side be b, and the third side be c. The summation of a plus b should be greater than that of the c. This is the criteria or the concept for drawing any triangle. That is, the sum of any two sides, sum of a and b, is always greater than that of the c. Then only we can draw the triangle over here. It means here 2p minus 1 plus 2p plus 2 should be greater than 13. Should be greater than 13. This is the criteria for drawing triangle. So this will give me 4p. 4p plus 1 is greater than 13. Okay, so this will give me the value of p is equal, 4p is equals to 12. So the value of p is going to be greater than that of the 12 divided by 4, it means 3. So the value of p is going to be greater than that of the 3. The concept is, please note this down, that the summation of two sides of any given triangle should be greater than that of the third side. This is the criteria for drawing any triangle. Okay, so I have done here 2p minus 1 plus, this was one side, I have added this with the other side, that should be greater than the left out side, that is the 13 centimeter. It should be greater than that of the 13 centimeter. I have got the value of p should be greater than 3 centimeter. Then moving on to the next question. Now the four angles of a quadrilateral are in ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6, 3 is to 6. The difference of the greatest and the smallest angle of the quadrilateral is what? The concept behind this question is again a very simple. Here, let us consider a quadrilateral AB, CD. These are the angles, angle A, B, C and D, given in the ratio 4, 5, 3 and 6, that is 4 is to 3, 5 is to 3 is to 6. So let us consider angle A as 4x, angle B as 5x, angle C as 3x and angle D as 6x. We know the concept that summation of angles of the quadrilateral is equals to 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree over here. So what is the angle A? That is 4x plus angle B is 5x plus 3x plus 6x will give me 360 degree. So 4x plus 5x, 9x, 9x plus 9x, this will give me 18x. 18x is equals to 360 degree. So the value of x is 360 divided by 18, that is equal to 20. So the value of x we have got here 20. What will be the value of 4x then? 4 into 20. Value of 5x is equals to 5 into 20. The value of 3x is going to be 3 into 20. The value of 6x is going to be 6 into 20. Okay, so this will give me 4 2s are 100 degree and 120 degree. They have asked us to find the difference between the greatest and the smallest angle. What is the greatest angle? 120 degree. So 120 degree minus the smallest is 60 degree. This will give me 60 degree as my answer. So the correct answer for the given question is option number C. Moving on to the next question. This is the last question of the question paper. Okay, so they have asked us that the ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC is perpendicular to BD and AB is equals to AD. Okay, and CB is equals to CD. Then ABCD must be what? What they have mentioned here, ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral where AC is perpendicular to BD. Let us draw this first. So A, B, C and D. Okay, this is a quadrilateral where AC is perpendicular to BD. This is BD. For example, this is the diagonal AC. This diagonal AC is perpendicular to BD. Let me draw it properly. This AC, able to draw it properly, just a minute. Let us take a little bit time to draw it properly. So here AC is the diagonal I am drawing over here. This is perpendicular to BD. This is perpendicular to BD. Okay, so here the opposite sides are going to be equal. Here it means here AC is perpendicular to BD. It means here sides are going to be equal, that is AB is equals to AD is equals to AD and CD is equals to AB, that they have mentioned us already. Also the thing is AC is perpendicular to DB, so ABCD must be what? So ABCD over here is going to be exactly the shape of kite, in which, for example, this is the kite. Okay, where let us consider this as AB and this as AD. This is going to take a shape of kite over here. Let us consider this as A, this as B, this as C and this as D, where the side AB is equals to BD and these are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so here this is going to be a kite, not a rectangular, not a parallelogram, not a rhombus. Okay, so ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AC, that is diagonals, are perpendicular to each other. It means this is going to be your kite. This is going to be your kite. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture, where we have discussed the part 2 and now we have completed the complete paper of 3rd January 2022. So if you have any kind of doubts regarding the topic that we have discussed in the given question paper, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you have doubt in any kind of question specific that particular question in the comment section, specify it. I'll explain you it in detail in the next lecture. Okay, so this was the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching it. If you're liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Other than that, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe it, like it, share to the maximum people who are preparing for the CTET paper 1 as well as paper 2. And other than that, please do enroll the course for a great preparation by contacting us on this given WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day everyone. Bye.